Ever wondered how biscuits are made, from simple ingredients all the way to the crunchy snack in your hand? Behind every biscuit is a carefully controlled industrial process involving precision, speed, and baking science. It all starts with raw ingredients. Large factories receive flour, sugar, salt, milk powder, vegetable oil, and other ingredients in bulk. These ingredients are carefully measured and stored in massive silos and containers. Next comes mixing. The ingredients are poured into giant industrial mixers where water and flavorings are added. Powerful mixing blades combine everything into a smooth biscuit dough with the perfect texture and consistency. After mixing, the dough moves to the forming stage. Large machines roll the dough into thin sheets while heavy rollers flatten it evenly. The dough then passes through cutting machines that shape the biscuits into circles, rectangles, or other designs. Some biscuits are stamped with patterns, logos, or tiny holes. These holes help heat spread evenly during baking. Next comes baking. The shaped dough enters a massive industrial tunnel oven that can stretch for dozens of meters. Inside the oven, carefully controlled temperatures bake the biscuits until they become golden brown and crispy. As the biscuits travel through the oven on conveyor belts, moisture evaporates and the familiar crunchy texture begins to form. After baking, the biscuits move into the cooling section. Large cooling conveyors slowly reduce the temperature of the biscuits. This step is important because packaging hot biscuits could trap moisture and ruin their crispness. Once cooled, the biscuits are inspected. Automated cameras and sensors check for broken, burnt, or imperfect biscuits. Any defective products are removed from the production line. Next is the packaging stage. Robotic machines stack the biscuits neatly and wrap them in plastic trays, packets, or cartons at very high speeds. Expiry dates and batch numbers are printed automatically onto the packages. Finally, the packaged biscuits are packed into larger boxes and loaded onto delivery trucks. From there, they are transported to supermarkets, shops, and stores around the world. So the next time you open a pack of biscuits, remember, it is the result of engineering, precision, and a fascinating journey from dough to crunch.